Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a corset on dress suit press. So you can color it to whatever color you want to. I'm just going to put on some pants and let's get to the video. Select the shirt and color the first one to whatever color you want the corset to be. I'm just going to choose black, or you can choose like your skin color to be the corset color if you'd like to. And then for the patterns, you can choose any pattern. I'll just select this one for the corset pattern because why not? Then I'm just going to go here and I'm going to select this like corset. And then for the rest, you're just going to color it the same as your outfit. Like that. Again, you can color it to whatever, and you can even color it black, but it's not going to look as like corsety with the like sleeves. But you can like absolutely make it look like this, but I'll just do this. Then you're also going to want to get this from the Supernova one, toggle it to the second one, and you are going to color the first and the second to, let me just turn off the texture, to the same as your skin color, like so. And I am going to be using this one, and you can color it to whatever color you want. I'll just color it this. And then you're just going to style it however you want. This was like such a bad styling choice. I'll just put like a skirt. And do this instead. And I'm just going to take off the jeans. And that's how you can create a corset on dress to impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.